Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava mobile guys screen timeout problem how to solve. Friends, sometime your phone screen just off automatic after 10, 20 and 30 seconds. So now how to face, how to solve screen timeout problem one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Lava mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Lava mobile. So friends, in your Lava mobile friends, scroll it and friends click here display setting. After on display setting friends, scroll it, screen timeout setting, click here, select your screen timeout. So friends, increase your screen timeout and your problem will solve. So friends, I will increase in 2 minutes. Friends, now you can check after 15-20 seconds screen will not off, screen will on. And again friends, if you select 15-second screen time mode in your Lava mobile, so friends your phone screen will off automatic after 15 seconds if you do not tap on screen. Guys, wait for 15 seconds, don't tap on your screen, and guys automatic your Lava mobile screen will off. Like that friends, your phone screen will off automatic in your Lava mobile. So friends, you have a screen timeout problem. So friends, open your Lava mobile phone setting. After on phone setting, click here display setting. After on display setting friends, screen timeout and increase screen timeout, and friends your problem will solve in your Lava mobile. Click here 10 second or 10 minute, 30 minute, 5 minute. Your problem will solve. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.